Hey everyone, Dan Sharp here, and where am I today? Oh, just standing out in the middle of a waterfall. I'm here with my friend Vicky. That's Vicky, and we are at Ocqueoc Falls up in Rogers City. Don't know how well you guys can hear me because it is loud here. Check out this water, you guys. It is awesome. Northern Michigan has a lot to offer. So here we are. We're going to spend some time wandering around here and see what we can find. See you guys in a bit. So it is a beautiful day here in Northern Michigan. It's about, I'm going to say 10 degrees, maybe not even that warm. But we are braving this cold weather and enjoying the sun. So we're going to head out this way and go check out the other fall. Okay, so we made it back to the parking lot. Mine and Vicky's adventures at Ocqueoc Falls was a lot of fun. If you guys are from Michigan or traveling to Michigan, I urge you to check out Ocqueoc Falls. I will share some links down in the description about how to find it here. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I just want to remind you guys, starting April 2nd, that's the first Wednesday of the month, I'm going to be doing Ask Dan. And for every first Wednesday of the month, I'll be doing the Ask Dan segment. So why don't you guys start up hashtag AskDanKSharp, and then watch out for the first Wednesdays of every month. I'll be featuring your questions and answering whatever you want to know. Okay, see you guys next time. And remember, stay happy and enjoy life.